Oke, bilang happy birthday ya.
Bebe.
Happy birthday.
Halo semuanya, ketemu lagi bersama channel saya Teh Wati, dan suami saya lagi bantuin saya ngulek ya, karena dia bilang kasihan tanganmu sakit, sini aku yang ngulekin. Cuman lihat nguleknya, gregetan ngelihatnya, masa nguleknya begitu ya. Ya udah ya, yang penting diulek aja ya, yang penting bumbunya halus. Terima kasih suamiku. Oke teman-teman, ikutin ya keseruan kita hari ini, dari siang sampai malam makan melulu ya bersama teman-teman saya. Oke, stay tune.
Ya Allah, ngolaknya itu kayak diusap-usap. Oke lah, thank you.
Jadi ini menu kita, ada tempe goreng, ada lasagna buatan Bumil, Bu Eva, ada pepes tahu ini buatan aku seperti biasa, dan ini nasi liwet dan segalanya, ada urap, ada dendeng, ini tempe penyet sambal kemangi, tuh ada teh botol sosro.
Nanti kamu jatuh lagi tangannya. Tempenya ada tempe negatif. Yang digoreng dulu. Oh, jinjan.
Wati! No, Wati, no! No, Wati!
Stay here. Or you standing there?
Tisu, sana pate, punta tisu pate. Emang dia ngerti.
I know you don't like my couch. If you forget to throw your food on it.
No, this is clean.
Thank
This is
you.
to clean restaurant.
What you know?
Rabbit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Thank you, Annabelle.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you for the cake, Bu RT. Pak RT.
Nah, okay, I'll give you the bill later, okay?
Here you go. Here you go. Then, where's your
Hey,
plate?
that is number one.
He's calling him darling, but saying it wrong. But darling is actually monkey bottom.
Oh, you can come back for seconds.
Darling.
No, no.
No, for Robin, oleh, for Robin.
Robert, you take that one.
Annabelle, Annabelle.
Nanti mana sendoknya, tanya?
Ah, ini sendoknya, Bin. Kasih Uti dulu, Bel. Uti dulu.
Uti nggak usah, Uti nggak usah, Uti nggak usah.
Nggak usah ya? Oh, enggak. Uti.
Nanti, Bella.
Bella.
Oh, you want a big one? Is that what you're thinking? You're thinking, I'll wait for one with a strawberry. I know exactly what you're
Annabelle, kasih Daddy, kasih Daddy.
You're thinking, no.
Because Annabelle want a big one too.
Yeah, that's why Annabelle always give it to everyone.
Bella.
Oh, you get the smaller one. Oh, you'll take that one with you.
Oh, no, this is...
What'd you say?
Pass it along.
Is that one mine? Is it?
Oh, yummy. Black Forest, ya?
No mess.
Oh, Annabelle, we need another little fork, please.
Oh, ya,
Fourth one?
Itu tadi Pak RT yang milih.
Plate.
No mess.
Yummy, oh.
Of course.
Did you bring Lily?
I've never known her to say no to cake. We don't put them. It's just curvy.
Well then, that's your job, not mine.
Bebe!
Bebe!
No, everyone start calling everyone.
Okay, how many people we got left?
Thank you.
Hey,
Thank you.
Eva itu
where's
belum.
all the new
Annabelle, Aunty Eva belum? Ambilin buat Aunty Eva. Itu ditaruh dulu punyamu. Punyamu ditaruh dulu. No, kasih Aunty Eva. Aunty Lily juga belum.
What?
Nomor, this one, who is this? Annabelle.
Mami.
Robin, you gave to Robin, but now he doesn't.
Lily. Udah si breadnya mana bread?
Lily, my bag, you mean? Is it my bag?
Your bed itu.
Okay.
Me and Buerte.
Lah breadnya mana? Bread. Kasihan
You're
amat.
gonna play. What's wrong with you?
No more.
Udah gitu aja
Oh,
udah.
if there's no more, this is mine then.
Dan, ya Allah, sendirian aja dia.
Bisa lah, jangan ganggu dia.
Mum said no until you gave it. I then she went, ooh, okay.
No. And then she said, on the table.
Oh, you leave it on the table.
No,
It's
wait.
free.
I'm
One
saying no.
was the bread.
Oh.
No way.
Bread.
Oh, that's for Uncle
Thank you.
Brad. Thank you, Robin.
No more than that. Under mine.
Robin yummy?
Nom, nom, nom.
Yummy. Annabelle yummy? Yuck yummy?
No,
No.
Already got done.
Tapi enak ya.
Not yummy anymore.
Nah, ini menu dinernya adalah barbecue ya. Ini perdagangan. Ada lamb chop kesukaanku, dan ini beef, dan ini lobster buat Bu RT karena dia nggak makan daging merah, jadi ini khusus buat Bu RT lobster. Tapi lobsternya kecil.
Yang punya nenek nggak terima. Kamu main. Dari tadi kayak gitu, Mbok. Langsung diam dia. Inilah kegalaan emak-emak.
Di saat jengkel,
Jengkel emak-emak jengkel.
kasihan juga kan, kayak terungso apa. Sadar-sadar gargar.
Oh, you got plenty of money. You'll be right.
They couldn't make their mind up on that floor. He hasn't got one.
Yang ini serius nonton.
Sekarang malah dia punya video makan.
Yeah, she's got her. That's okay. It's not mine.
Bye-bye semuanya. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe ya channelnya Teteh Wati. Bye-bye. Thank you, Teteh. Bye. Bye, Annabelle.
He doesn't
Nanti
wait. It's
minum
like
lagi ya sama Robin ya.
We didn't film.
Oh yeah. Hello, you too. You gotta get used to her around here. I'm surprised she hasn't been singing.
Tuan rumah tepar. Aduh, ini malah lagi mangap di video ini. Seru, pokoknya seru kalau udah kumpul-kumpul itu. Nah, inilah foto-foto kebersamaan kita kemarin ya teman-teman, seru banget ya pokoknya. Dari siang sampai malam kita kumpul, sampai ini suaraku habis kebanyakan ngomong. Semoga kalian suka ya videonya, dan jangan lupa lagi untuk like, comment, dan subscribe. See you next vlog. Salam Sampurasun. Terima kasih semuanya.